ngayon nandito tayo sa Tongyang to celebrate our birthday and grabe, lahat ng mga dapat i-invite is nandito. And na-excite ako kasi imagine mo because of Elites Empire, makapag-celebrate tayo ng ganito. So let's enjoy today! Sobrang dami ng mga nandito. Buong Elites Empire ata nandito. Nandito lahat ng Dream Squad, ang M Squad, and we're waiting for Empress. Nakakatawa makapag-celebrate sa ganitong klaseng lugar, no? Kayo na next! Birthday wish, maraming kumita sa Elites Empire. Lahat maranasan yung ganitong klaseng birthday. And of course, more souls to save. Thank you so much! Thank you!
Aptash, happy birthday, and grabe, thank you so much for coming into my life. You are my earth angel, and I wish more and more amazing years to come to you, and thank you so much for everything you've done to me. And again, happy birthday to you, Aptash.
Happy birthday, Aptash Phoenix, no? Thank you so much sa life na meron ka. Kundi dahil sa iyo, Aptash, talagang wala ako dito sa Elites Empire. I'm so blessed na naging mentor kita. Thank you so much, Phoenix, and more blessings to come.
Happy birthday, Phoenix! Grabe, I'm so happy na ikaw yung naging upline ko here sa Elites Empire. And thank you so much, Phoenix, kasi ikaw yung mentor na sobrang gaan and talagang very open to everything. And I'm really happy sa mga achievement na meron ka and sa transformation na nangyari sa'yo because of Elites Empire. I love you so much, Up, and to more birthdays to celebrate with you.
Happy birthday, Phoenix! Thank you so much sa pag-guide sa akin since day one. And I know ever since talaga nag-start ako dito, na-feel ko yung love mo, na-feel ko yung support mo sa business na ginagawa natin na naka-help din sa akin. And yung life na meron ka ngayon, sobrang blessing siya sa maraming tao. And I know that this year, talagang sobrang prosperous as we are all doing our best, as we are all very happy in what we do. More power and God bless.
Hi Phoenix, happy birthday, and thank you so much for celebrating your birthday, your special day. And nandito din ako, isa sa mga na-invite mo, and sabi ko nga napakaswerte ko naman to have a mentor like you na grabe yung heart para sa mga leaders. And wala ako dito sa Elites Empire if it wasn't because of your guidance as well. Kaya thank you so much, Up. Your life is really a blessing para sa lahat ng maraming tao na mataas din yung pangarap like me. Kaya thank you so much, and I wish you all the best in life. Deserve mo to be in the spotlight. Deserve mo to be the voice of Elites Empire and Empress. Thank you, Ab. I love you.
Hi, Aptash. It's a great day and happy birthday. Thank you so much. Second time na to na magkasama tayo ng birthday mo, and grabe, ikaw yung reason bakit ako nandito ngayon sa Cebu. Ikaw yung reason bakit ako nag-full time and bakit ko din nandito sa opportunity and community natin. Thank you so much, for bringing me here, and I love you so much.
Happy birthday, Phoenix, and I'm so grateful sa'yo. I know this is just the start. Sobrang haba ba ng lalakbayin natin na magkasama, and I can't wait to more milestones and travels and achievements with you, and you deserve the best. Happy birthday, Phoenix!
Hi, Aptash, thank you so much. Grabe, busog na busog ako. By the way, happy birthday. Thank you dahil nabusog ako ng wisdom, ng kaalaman from the very beginning, from the first day na nag-start ako dito sa business. Thank you, and more blessings sa'yo. Thank you sa life mo, and yun lang, Up.
Happy birthday, Up Phoenix. Thank you so much for your life, and salamat sa inspiration na nabibigay mo sa amin. And I wish na marami ka pa mga dreamers na madala dito sa Elites Empire through your leadership. And grateful ako kasi nakilala kita. Thank you so much, Up, and I love you so much.
Happy birthday, Up Phoenix! I'm so blessed na nakita ka. Ito pala yung feeling na nang-titreat ng sobrang daming tao sa isang luxury na restaurant, and I am praying na ako naman next. Best wishes sa birthday mo, Up, and praying na lahat ng mga prayers and wishes mo in life magkatotoo. Happy birthday, Up Phoenix, and I love you so much!
Happy birthday, Phoenix! And I wish all the best. Thank you so much for being my second sister here sa community. And thank you so much sa lahat ng binigay mo na guide sa akin. And wish ko talaga na makuha mo na yung gustong-gusto mo na GTR this year and biggest income. And I love you, Phoenix. Enjoy your day.
Happy birthday, Phoenix! More biggest results ang makukuha natin sa Elite Empire. Hanggang dulo, magkasama tayo!
Yes, happy birthday. Wish you all the best and wish you more maraming pera. Happy birthday, Phoenix.
Hey, happy birthday, Phoenix! I love you so much, my dream squad sister.
Happy birthday to you! Happy birthday, Phoenix! Sa kaibigan ko, napakatalino, napakalaki ng puso, at pinaka-important. Happy birthday, Phoenix! Alam mo na yun, mahal na mahal kita!
Hi Phoenix! Happy birthday! Thank you so much for inviting me here, and thank you kasi isa ka sa tumulong sa akin na mabago yung life ko. Isa ka sa nag-guide sa akin dito. I'm wishing you all the best, nothing but the best in this lifetime. I love you so much, and again, happy birthday.
Hands up to the sky, look at us now, this is what it's all about. Celebrate, celebrate, it's the best day of our life, there ain't no doubt, I just wanna shout it out. Happy birthday, Phoenix, we love you.
Grabe tong araw na to. Actually, I'm really happy and excited. Hindi lang para sa akin, pero para sa lahat. Kasi alam ko, inspirasyon to na makapag-birthday sa ganitong klaseng lugar. No, thank you to Tong Yang Plus. Actually, nung una, wala akong plano. Kaya yung gagawin ko sa birthday ko. For me, pag birthday ko, it's a thank you for the Empire celebration for me. And pa-thank you ko din kay Empress and sa mga M-Squad na nagsiserve sa community natin. And of course, I want to celebrate this day kasi grabing layo kung ano yung buhay natin before noon sa ngayon, sobrang layo. Kaya thank you so much sa lahat na nambunta, sa mga birthday greetings to my family for the love. And of course, to Empress, my mentor. Because of you, imagine mo nakapag-celebrate tayo sa ganitong klaseng lugar. Thank you so much everyone, and sa lahat na nanonood ngayon. I know super na-inspired ka din. Time will come, you will celebrate your day because you deserve it. Happy birthday, Sal!